I'm Lindsay.
And I'm Wes. And this is Camping with a Family of 5.
So we're doing an overview of the state park called Topsail Hill Preserve. We were looking on the internet and we found a lack of different videos on this state park, and there wasn't much information on what actually the features were. So we decided to do a video showing you all the different types of features, including the
camper sites, the motorhome sites, and the tent camping sites.
And the bungalows, which are very similar to the cabin layout.
They have yurts too.
Yes. So here is a little overview, including some videos of the bathhouses and the laundry room and around the park, as well as the beaches that you get to access from Topsail.
And the camp store. So the camper / RV sites are very cool. They're very easy to get in and out of. Some of them are a little bit short, but none of them are overly cramped. And they all have good privacy. They all have good coverage. As far as shade goes, they're all you kind of get a tucked away, tucked in, almost in the woods kind of feel. Well, woods for being at the beach at least. Some of them have concrete and some of them have gravel, but they're all very well kept. They're all very clean. They all have a picnic table and they all have full, as far as I know, all of them have full hookups. For the most part, they all have really good shade. So even if you were there in the heat of summer, it wouldn't be too bad because you've got shade a good part of the day.
So as far as the tent sites go, it has one of the best tent sites available in that area to me, because you have parking spots and a little trail that leads to your tent site, which is very private. You don't have to worry about car lights shining into your tent or hearing a lot of the traffic noise. So they have hookups for your tent sites. You have water and electricity, which is nice. And there's also bathhouse access, which this time it was closed, the one nearest to the tent, but there is others around the campground that's easily used. But each of the tent sites have little trails that lead to, some of them lead to each other, so it's nice if there's families staying in different tent sites. And then some of them have little trails leading to the beach walk, which is a really nice thing. There's also lakes available for hiking too, which is really pretty. And there's a trolley, actually it's a truck, with a trailer attached to it with bench seats on it, so you can load all your beach things on it and take that all down to the beach without having to walk all the way. But it is a really nice walk, and this campground is laid out so nice for bicyclists and little ones, really, having little kids, because of all of the paved trails and paved roadways. It makes it super easy to push strollers or pull your wagon, and like I said, ride bicycles. It's just really, really family oriented. We also have footage of the swimming pool area, a little pond at the front entrance on either side. There's also the cabins / bungalows for rent, and they were really nice. We didn't get a video of the cabin, but the staff member told us that it is very similar layout to the bungalow. So you'll see in the footage of the bungalow that there was a bedroom, a kitchen, a living area, and an extra little room that was actually really nice to have beside the master bedroom for any little ones that you might need near you, sleeping near you. Another feature that was nice for the bungalow is all the linens were in bags, so you knew that they were all clean, as well as the towels.
So at the camp store, they have things like your daily essentials, like aspirin and Tylenol and sunscreen. You know, the things that you might either have forgotten on accident or the things that you might run out of while you're camping. Too, they have like just some small convenience store things. Actually, it's pretty cool too. They have a coffee shop and a little beer, or a little like a brewery type craft beer kind of thing going on too, which is cool. Too, they have like memorabilia and t-shirts and stickers and different little things, little keepsake type things. So that's the camp store.
Here are some sights and scenes that you'll see around Topsail Hill Preserve. The beaches, the little towns, as well as different features of the campground. So Wayman, what was your favorite part of our campground?
The playing!
The playing? The playground?